Hey, what's up guys, welcome back and make sure to subscribe for getting more videos like this one. So the OnePlus NORD is getting officially announced on 10th of July, so depending on when this video goes live, about 5-6 days left only. And OnePlus has released a couple of teaser trailers for the NORD and there are some very interesting features, especially a little teaser about it having water resistance. Sort of. So in this teaser trailer we can see that the lady is definitely underwater and it is being shot by a phone. And this has led to creation of some hype about the waterproofing of the OnePlus NORD over the days. Now to be absolutely fair, they don't show the phone, so it might as well be a OnePlus 8 Pro. But because it's a OnePlus NORD trailer on a specific OnePlus NORD Instagram page and they specifically show NORD multiple times in this video, and all of that kind of gives us hope that there may be some sort of waterproofing on the OnePlus NORD. Now, is there going to be actual IP68 water resistance rating? Maybe, but it's very unlikely. Although what's not that much unlikely is some sort of water resistance without actually paying for official IP rating, just like what they did on the OnePlus 7 Pro. On the OnePlus 7 Pro, however, I think they cheaped out as that phone was expensive enough to justify IP ratings. But on the OnePlus NORD, I will completely understand if they provide some sort of water resistance without an actual IP rating number. And I believe this could really happen. Just imagine how good that would be for promotion. Not many phones below 25,000 have water resistance, and even if some phones do get water damaged, you don't have to fix it. So it's a total win-win for OnePlus. On that note guys, do not throw your phones in water. My S9 Plus, which is IP68 rated, got water damaged in just about 10 cm deep water. I was able to save my phone because I removed every part of it except for the display. I opened my phone 2 days after the water damage happened and it was full of water. The thing to remember is that if the waterproof phones don't let the water inside, they also don't let the water dry out if somehow it does get in. So long story short, don't put your phones in water unless you really have to. Also, do you want me to make a full video documenting how to save a phone after getting water damaged based on my experience? So let me know in the comment section. We also have a couple of real official images of the OnePlus NORD. In this one we can see that there is the power button and the alert slider. Also, it's a flat display. So flat earthers, rejoice! This is the image from the back of the smartphone. There's the confirmed quad camera system which is going to be on the top of the food chain for the price you pay. And never forget the dual selfie cameras, the wide and the ultra wide angle. Here are a couple of images of the front of the smartphone. Also, the smartphone went on pre-order yesterday for 100 lucky customers. I wanted to get one but I missed it. Later on, OnePlus CEO also almost confirmed that this phone won't be released in USA because they think that this smartphone will not succeed in the market given that most customers of US generally buy a flagship. Is that true? You tell me. While you are telling me stuff, tell me what do you think about having some sort of water resistance on the OnePlus NORD. I think it will be a really big selling point if OnePlus can make that happen. Do subscribe for further videos like this one, hit the like button if you enjoyed, come hang out with me on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.